Hi, I'm Nemanja. Today I wanted to break down a simple, very simple funnel that can be built in just a few hours that can set up a business and get you leads if you're having a physical business. We'll be talking about babysitting. So I had a client who wanted to get more clients as a babysitter. She wanted to get paid better, to get clients easier, to have consistent revenue coming into her business. This is the structure that you can implement in many different businesses. It's very simple and it can help you to think how can you structure something in order to sell a service to potential customers. This is going to be B2C, so we don't need any complex systems in place. We'll just have a basic funnel. We'll have paid traffic from Facebook and it will go straight into the landing page, and the call to action will be to get on a call. First of all, we start with the research phase. So I already went through all of these with my client, but I will pretend that I'm going through this for the first time. These are some of the questions that you should be asking to get to know who are you trying to target here, what you're trying to sell, how can we position the offer in the best possible way to increase the likelihood of someone buying from us. So first of all, I talked to my client and I asked her questions like, what services do they need? So we talked about her previous experience. She already worked as a babysitter, so she already knew what they want, what they need. She has experience in that field, but she doesn't know how to get clients. I'm not as familiar into the industry as she is, and I asked her questions like, what are the typical services that they need? And she told me they need nurturing, they need someone to take care of the baby during the night, to change baby's clothes, to wash them, to feed them, to prepare the food. So we went through the whole list of what they actually need. Then I asked her what's important for the parent, because if a parent is leaving a baby to someone who they don't know, it's very important that we signal trust. It's very important that you have experience. It's very important that you're licensed, that you love this job, that you actually are going to be there, that you're actually going to care about your child. Then we went over the pain points and benefits. You can also use ChatGPT for this. For example, I'm starting a babysitting business. Can you tell me what are the common pain points of parents who need my services? Trust and safety, as I said. Reliability, availability, flexibility is a very big one. Experience, qualifications, engagement in child development, cost and transparency, communication and updates, difficulty finding the right fit. So all of these factors play a big role into someone deciding who to hire as a babysitter. Next thing, what are the benefits that I can present to them? Again, we're just rebuttaling these pain points into benefits. So safety and trust, reliability, engagement. So yeah, it literally just reverses the pain points. So we need to know this and we need to signal this to our ads and to our landing page. Another thing I asked her are what are your competitive advantages? And then she mentioned that she has over 18 years of experience. She's actually licensed to do this job. She can be there during the day or during the night. She's going to come up on their address. She's flexible. So all of these things were taken into consideration when building out the landing page. And the last thing was understanding how much can we charge for that. And there's a very good website for that called Justice Map. Here we can go into different areas and find places where average annual revenue is high. So for example, we'll be looking for these blue places. It's very important to choose the right clientele, because if we're doing something, it's always easier to work with people who already have the money. You will save yourself a lot of headache. It will just be easier for you. I wrote down all of that basic info on my phone, and now we will focus on creating the landing page. My approach for this will be a very simple landing page. First of all, value proposition in one sentence. So what we do, who is our target audience, that's it. Second will be a 2-minute VSL, a basic introduction of her, It can be a video shot on her phone just to introduce herself, just so people can know who she is, how she talks, what kind of energy does she bring to the table. Because I looked at competitors and they don't even have an image of themselves. And if I'm leaving a baby to someone, I want to see who that person is. And that's very, very important thing. Then we have a call to action, which is going to be a phone number where they can call her immediately. Then we have some more info about her services, experience, images of her working, taking care of babies. Then we have testimonials. We'll have 3 testimonials. I already asked her and she has 3 people that she already worked with that are already happy with her services and that will love to film a quick 1-minute video to just say what was their experience like. Then we'll add some more social proof, so more images, more videos, how she treats kids, etc. And then finally another call to action. Now I want to explain you how easy it is to actually start a business. In just one day you can create all of this, including the website, including the ads, and you can get started in literally less than a day. Right now I will go into Wix and we'll create this landing page. I will show you how to edit it and how to use templates, and it's very, very simple. We'll need about half an hour to have the landing page structure, and then we'll fill it in with our info. We don't need to use any complex website builders or CRMs or anything like ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel, because this is a very simple landing page. We just need to have that call to action, which is going to be book a call. It's just going to serve as a social proof. We can get all of our paid traffic into the landing page. People can learn more about a service. If they're interested, they will book a call. If they're not, they won't, and that's it. There won't be any follow-ups. There won't be any lead magnets or anything like that, because it's a very simple funnel. She just needs to find 3 to 5 clients and she will be set with this. She won't even need to run ads anymore. So let's go to Wix and create a new site. We'll pick a template here. And we have so many templates and they're looking very, very good, especially for this kind of offer. It's more than what we need. I like this one. I like this one, so I'm keeping it simple. This is for babies. Yeah, this one looks great as well. Baby consultant. I'm searching for this kind of feminine vibe, nurturing vibe, because that is who our audience is searching for. So yeah, I'll go with this one probably. They're all similar, but I like the colors of this. It looks like a great option for a babysitter. Alright, so let's get started with changing these. What I love about this website is that it's one page website. We don't have multiple pages, so everything can be scrolled. And let's get started. First of all, this background looks great, but I would love to have a video here so it's not too distracting. And maybe just keep the background there in the same color as the rest of the website. Then we want to centralize this text here. Let's make it a bit smaller. And let's write our headline. We can also use ChatGPT, for example. I need a headline for my landing page. Something like your reliable babysitter. Yeah, I love this one. And another thing that I haven't mentioned is that she wants to work primarily during the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this sounds great. Trusted babysitting for stress-free weekends. And you shouldn't overcomplicate things. This isn't a B2B funnel. This isn't for super high-tech marketing people. This is for people who just want someone to take care of their babies. So what they want to see is not your perfect copywriting skills, not your perfect marketing skills, not the perfect ad, but they want to see that the person who's going to take care of the child is nurturing, is loving, is caring, is going to take care of their kids so they don't have to worry about it. Then we'll have this text say, watch a 2-minute video introduction. We need some more contrast here, so let's use this color so it stands out a little bit more, and let's bold it. Trusted babysitting for stress-free weekends. And again, this doesn't have to be world-class design. This is just a basic page. So now I want to add a video here. So video player, and we'll use YouTube for that. And it will look like that. Let's add this button. That, and we can just write call me. And the link will be her phone number, so we can write it down here. Whatever. Customize design. Okay, so we don't want to use too many fonts. We want to keep it the same style. And this start of the page already looks nice. And we can delete this whole page above because we don't need the shop page. We don't have the logo. We don't need the navigation bar. People who want to see the content, they can just scroll here. So let's just hide header and footer. These are just small edits and you can edit it however you want. You can spend more time on that. You can create a custom code website, but I think it's just a waste of time, waste of money. And if you can save time, you can get the same quality of leads, the same quality of clients with just a simple landing page. And then about me section. We want to keep this section. I love that they included an image here, but I want to make this whole section a bit smaller. So yeah, obviously these images will be changed when I actually complete the final website for my client, but let's use these stock images for now. And this is an example of an image that I would use. She's smiling with the kid, she looks nice, she looks like she cares. And that's the exact vibe that we're trying to create with this. And in the about me section, we'll make it about her, but it will be based on the pain points and benefits that we can provide for them. I'll use ChatGPT here to write me something, but obviously it needs to be refined. I want to make this tutorial easy and quick to understand, so let's just see what can we come up with. Okay, I wrote down basic info. This looks perfect because we're focusing on all of our competitive advantages and everything that our clients want to hear. So let's copy it here. Let's make it just a bit bigger here so I can include some badges because people probably won't going to read through all of this, but I can add some badges and I'm not going to search for them at the moment, but let's imagine all of these are badges for themselves. So for example, we would put 5 of these. Okay, so we'll put badges here and each would be a different image. For example, 18 years of experience, 18 plus, licensed, paper of a license. Then flexible, maybe we can place sun and moon. At your place, we can paint a car. So be creative with it and include multiple images for all of the benefits that you can provide to them. Now I want this services section, and we already had it in the template, which is perfect. So I'll change this up and get back to you in a second. Okay, fast forward about 30 minutes. I completed the whole website. We'll need to change this up. We need to add correct names here and correct testimonials. We'll need to change some icons here, some services, so we'll need to adjust those. We added the pricing based on justice maps, based on our competitors. This is the right pricing for us. We'll also need to change up some of these icons. I added some bold text here to emphasize some of the big things. And now let's focus on the VSL, this introduction video. What should it be based on? So as I said, the main purpose of it is building trust. I created a script here and now I'll read it to you. It's focusing a lot on pain points, benefits for them, signaling trust, testimonials, and just showing who you are as a person. Hi, I'm Anna, and I provide weekend babysitting for babies up to 3 years old. I'm a licensed educator with over 18 years of experience caring for babies daily. I spend time with them, feed them, change diapers, help them develop habits and language skills, play with them, take them for walks, and put them to sleep. So this first segment is serving us to build authority. As someone who spends time with babies every day and does this professionally, I can guarantee their safety. And you can hear it from some of my previous clients. And here we'll play a testimonial montage of 3 people she used to work with, just saying some nice things about their experience with Anna. My rate is $30 per hour. It includes all services and in-home care at your location. So this is the same text that we added here. If you're interested, feel free to contact me by phone so we can schedule a meeting before you decide to move forward. This is another big thing for parents because they want to meet the person before starting the collaboration. Thank you for watching and I look forward to your call. So that's it. Very simple video. It should be around 1 minute long, 2 minutes long. Basic selfie video on a nice plain background, saying these things and showing the actual results. So now let's focus on the ad structure. How are we going to capture those leads? How are we going to get people through the website? We will first analyze what competitors are doing. So we can go into Facebook ad library and we can search for baby sitting. Okay, this one grabs my attention.
Plantation's best summer camp is where kids stay active, make new
It
friends,
shows some
boards, and epic
activities that
costume
they can do.
parties.
I like this one. It's probably for daycare and it looks like it's straight to the point. I don't understand this language, but it clearly messages who are we targeting and what are we offering. This is nice. Private babysitting. It shows the activities, it shows the teachers. But what I see a lot of these are missing is context, because if someone is watching this ad and doesn't know about them, we need some extra context. What are you offering? Who you are? Why should we trust you with this? I see lots of these videos without captions, just UGC video, but without any context, and I think we can do much better than that. This one is great. It's a video ad and it focuses on a desire. One, to go out for dinner on a Saturday night. So we already know who it's targeting. The image is great. A busy woman trying to manage multiple things at a time. Great call out of the audience on desire. We got you covered, so we're the solution for you. They mentioned the working hours. Amazing. Amazing. While you're enjoying your meal, we'll take care of your child. This is great. This is great. It's a bit fast. I mean, it's 10-second ad and it's going very fast, so people can't read it. But yeah, that's the point of what we're trying to achieve here. We can also do some posts like this. This is a carousel post. So we have multiple slides here, each giving us more information. The first one should hook them and get the attention of our audience, clearly explaining what we're offering. The second one can be trust building through a short video of Anna explaining what she does and who she is. The third one can be testimonials. The fourth one can be her spending time with children. So we can be very creative with these ads, and there's truly no limit to testing things out. What I would also do with these ads is test out multiple different hooks. So for example, if we create one video ad, it will have 3 different hooks and 2 different formats. So 9x16 and 4x5. So that's the whole structure. You don't need to overcomplicate it. You don't need to add any qualifications. You can see if your ads perform well, you'll probably get some calls. If people are unqualified, we need to adjust your messaging through the ads. Maybe we need to adjust the landing page a little bit, but that's it. It's a very simple structure. Business to clients, they're not interested about the most beautiful design, the most beautiful funnel, the best marketing out there, the best messaging. They just want to see who's going to take care of their children. That's the most important thing. So we're focusing always on the market. Who are we trying to sell to? And then we refine our offer, we refine our services based on that. I hope these videos bring value to you. And if you have any questions or ideas on what can I film in the future, feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help.